All right, and the next keyword we're going to go for is going to be internet marketing service in Panama City. And you're going to see here we have even more competitors. Um, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. Here are the top three, and then we'll go to more places. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 to Baytown, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 per page. And you didn't see website 99 there anywhere. Let's go to page 2. And we're looking for website 99. And we're not going to find it. We're seeing some familiar names though. Blue Crab. Panama City Online. Okay, not there. And Bullseye. And there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 on that page. Okay, one's closed, but it's still there, taking up a spot. So we have 51 competitors in the market for internet marketing service in Panama City. I'd say that's high competition. So, or getting right at high competition. So, we're going to case study on this keyword as well. And I'll pick you up with the next keyword in just a second.